guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a very easy recipe of chicken sandwich filling. So let's note the ingredients. For this we'll need 1 cup of shredded chicken, half cup of chopped lettuce, quarter cup of yogurt, half a cup of mayonnaise, half cup of chopped cucumbers, quarter cup of chopped capsicum, quarter cup of cream, 2 tablespoons of mint and coriander paste, and salt to taste. First, in a mixing bowl, add mayonnaise, yogurt, cream, mint and coriander paste, salt, and mix it all together. Now add shredded chicken, cucumber, capsicum, and lettuce, and mix it all well. And the filling is ready. Now fill in the sandwich and enjoy. I hope you like the recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram. Click here for my last video and here for a random video. Subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day, and like always, thanks for watching.